इबादतों की तरह मैं काम करता हूँ, इबादतों की तरह मैं काम करता हूँ, मेरा उसूल है कि पहले सलाम करता हूँ. Dear friends, in these lines of famous Shair Bashir Badr, I salute you. When I enter in the campus, I could not hold myself for recalling and cherishing my childhood days. Those were most struggleful days of my life. But I wonder there was no awareness of it. If I start thinking even now, I wonder, I feel that those were most graceful and splendid days of my life. बशीर बद्र says that होठों पे मोहब्बत के फसाने नहीं आते, होठों पे मोहब्बत के फसाने नहीं आते, साहिल पे समंदर के खजाने नहीं आते, उड़ने दो परिंदों को इन शौक हवा में, फिर लौट के बचपन के ज़माने नहीं आते, फिर लौट के बचपन के ज़माने नहीं आते. Friends, I remember here all that things in my childhood. I belong to a small village in Maharashtra in Akola district named Kumbhari. And I studied in ZP Primary School, Kumbhari. Then I studied till my 10th in Jai Bajrang Vidyalaya. You may wonder, till then I didn't know what the Xerox machine is. I was unaware about the manners, all of the things, required skills to behave like a gentleman. Forget about English. To be very frank, I was unaware about proper Marathi. But the good thing was that I had a good level of self-confidence even in that condition, and that was the thing. I am feeling proud here. My teachers could me help out. I should express my feelings of thankfulness here about my grandma, my Ai Baba, my teachers, my friends, my fans, and my wife Deepali also. They all the people encourage me, inspire me to do something in my life, and I also wonder now I'm talking with you on the stage. Nowadays, I can do something in all of these fields. While being a comparer of famous Marathi and Urdu ghazal singer Mr. Bhimrao Panchale, while acting in the movie, while writing lyrics, and while presenting stand-up comedy, I feel that all of the spirit all of the spirit I get from my village, from the soil of my village. Munawar Rana says that हवा दुखों की जब आई कभी खिजा की तरह, हवा दुखों की जब आई कभी खिजा की तरह, मुझे छिपा लिया मिट्टी ने मेरी माँ की तरह. So I'm very thankful to my village. I have fragrance of the soil of my village in each and everything which I do. I belong to the village and to the people who suffers from everything, who are low lives people, there is lot of struggle in their life, and that's why I can understand what I should do in my life, which should be the direction of my work. I think it will be the real art which try to change something, which encourage others in on this stage. I want to express something. I'm a stand-up comedian. There are a lot of stress. Life is very speedy and very busy. And each and every person want to smile on his face, but could not get the smile. So it is very important to laugh and make laugh others. I'm a teacher, I'm a primary teacher in JP School Kanshuni in Akola district, and try to make laugh my students and get a satisfaction by the teaching. And whenever I present a stand-up comedy, it is I try to laugh the people, and I think, as the Shire says, that you know the lines, I think, घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर ले. You know the lines, घर से मस्जिद है बहुत दूर चलो यूं कर ले, किसी रोते हुए बच्चे को हंसाया जाए. So laughter is most valuable thing in our life. Dear friends, I want to explain here how the laughter is created, how the humor is created. There are different situations in our country which are full of exaggeration, full of contrast, paradox, full of unexpected experiences, which creates comedy. It means one side of comedy is also sorrows and the critical conditions which are available in our country. All of these things keeps of feeding cartoonists and comedians. If we think seriously about all those conditions, I think all of the comedians, all of the writers, poets and artists, if think seriously about our country, there are something which make us restless. There are religion-based fights, casteism and many other things. So the Hindustan, the India, which we have to hand over to our next generation, how should it be? What should we do in this condition? Only laughter is not important. Yes, definitely. We should laugh and enjoy our life. We used to say that laughter is the best medicine, but on the contrast, laughing loudly, we find a bad manner. Laughter is very important, but something is more important than these things. If we think about our nation, the situations in this nation, we may see that casteism and religion-based fights are increased. if you want a good country to hand over our next generation, we must have to do something. We must have to step out to change our views. When a person, when we meet a person, we start to think about his caste and his religions. We don't know a person by his work and his name, but we know the person by his caste and by his religion. And this is the situation, this is the real conditions in our country. Hindu bano to Mathura, Bashir Badr says that Hindu bano to Mathura और Muslim bano to Kaaba. इंसान अगर रहो तो सारा जहां तुम्हारा. If you are Hindu, Mathura is yours, and if you are Muslim, Kaaba is yours. But if you are a human being, all world is yours. And that's why we should think on this direction and step out to do something in this direction. We say that male and female are same, but what is the condition? What is the situation in our country? Female child are killed, women are raped, and we are saying that male and females are same. This is only for sake. But I feel very sorry to know all of the things, to know the fact. Our farmers' suicide cases increased in Maharashtra and into Vidarbha very much. In the 68 years of independence, we let the farmers to die. We don't need to think about the issue. एक हिरवे स्वप्न ह्या मातीत त्याने पेरले. एक हिरवे स्वप्न ह्या मातीत त्याने पेरले. पेटली त्याची चिता आणि ते जळाले शेवटी. These are my Marathi ghazals lines. And the meaning is, the farmer sows a green dream in the soil, but nowadays it is burning with his dead body. And this is the fact. Farmer suicide ratios is increased. Male-female ratios is definitely disturbed. Education is of those people only who have a lot of money. And the future of my villagers, of the children of my villagers, is definitely in danger. These are the horrible situations, horrible challenges in front of our country. Don't you think that we should do something? I know that we should educate, grow, earn money and enjoy our life. Yes, undoubtedly it is all important in our life. But what may differentiate us from the animals? As a human being, if we think about others sufferings, about others' problems, then we have right to be called a human. Otherwise, our birth is useless. Because everyone can do with himself. On this stage, I want to say here, if we think about the people who are helpless, who are stressed, and if we think to do something for them, if we do something for them, not only to think, then we are right to be called as human being. So friends, all of our freedom fighters, social scientists, social workers, given us message in the lines of Sane Guruji. खरा तो एकच धर्म जगाला प्रेम अर्पावे. Real religion is to love all and to serve all. Then, as a comedian, as a writer, as a poet, as an artist, I want to say here that common people should not laugh occasionally. Laughter should be the part of their life. Laughter should be the part of their life. And everyone start to bring smile in their life in this way. And that's why it will be the situation when every person will laugh. The real happiness in their heart and the real smile on their face, which are common people, which are stressed, helpless people, and then our birth, our lives will be meaningful. काळजाचा सखा जर तुला पाहिजे, जीव ओवाळून टाकला पाहिजे. काळजाचा सखा जर तुला पाहिजे, जीव ओवाळून टाकला पाहिजे. वाटते जर तुला विश्व जिंकायचे, तर मने जिंकण्याची कला पाहिजे. जो युगापासून आसवे ढाळतो, आज माणूस तो हसला पाहिजे. The person, the communities which are crying from the decades, from the thousands of years, their life should change, their life should be changed, and all of us must step out from that in that direction. Thank you so much. Thank you.